Morning, morning. October 29th, 2023. And we're up and at it, man. Yes, morning. Beautiful morning today. Look at that. Can you see the sun cracking at us? It's coming right at me. Like I said, it's Sunday, October 29th, 2023. And we're up and at it for our bike ride. I waited till there was a little bit of light, just for safety reasons. I don't like riding in the dark. But here we are, man. Look at that sun. That sun should make you want to get out. You know, it's a little crisp, a little cooler on the bike, but it doesn't take long before you really want that cool air hitting you. But anyway, here we are. We're looking at doing maybe 17, 18 miles, and then we'll be done. We'll be done. Sunday will be all ours. The rest of the Sunday. All right. So I'll check with you after. All right, folks. Here we are on our way back. I'm down here in I guess it's South Long Beach, close to Bolsa Chica, and I'm coming back. I made it all the way to Bolsa West, and a little bit further. Try to put in the whole 20 miles. I just stopped for about 5-6 minutes and ate a little snack, some peanut butter, some crackers, and I drank my water. Now I'm headed back. So, all right. So I'll talk to you guys soon. This is what it looks like. It got a little windy all of a sudden. You can see in the far that it's a little gusty up there. It just came out of nowhere. Just suddenly came. But anyway, here we are. We're still doing it. Feeling good. Legs are feeling good. Talk to you soon. All right, folks. I just crossed Spring Street, and I'm headed north. I'm headed to Carson Street and back that way. I'm on Bellflower. So, it turned out to be a nice ride. Once I got away from the beach area, it wasn't windy down here. It was only windy over there. So that was good. I think it was just a shift of the winds or whatever they call it. But anyway, I'm doing pretty good. I think I'm getting close to 2 hours, or I should be right at 2 hours. And that's about it. All right, so probably I'm on the home stretch now. So I'll get on here when I'm done. All right, talk to you soon. Okay, y'all. I finished earlier, and I ran in here and had some breakfast. I was really like at half hour. You know, usually I finish around 9:30, and it was almost 10 o'clock. So I needed to get in here and get in the shower and get dressed. My wife makes breakfast. So anyway, we did about 21.3 miles on the bike today. So I wanted at least do 20, and we did 21. So we're good. But we're done. We're done for Sunday. I'm gonna help my son-in-law work on his car. He wants to change the front brakes on his car, so we're gonna help him do that. And that's it. We're done for this week. All right, the gravy checking out. Talk to you later.